Welcome to Earth's RX Foods, where we explore simple, science-backed ways to improve your health using the power of real food and natural habits. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This content is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet, medications, or health routine. Multivitamins are one of the most popular supplements in the world, but are they actually good for you? Some people take them every day to support their health, while others question whether they're even necessary. From filling nutritional gaps to concerns about overuse, multivitamins can be both helpful and misunderstood. So, should you be taking a multivitamin? Or is it a waste of money? Let's take a closer look at the benefits, limitations, and what you should know. 1. Helps cover nutrient gaps. Multivitamins are designed to provide a range of essential vitamins and minerals. If your diet is lacking in certain nutrients, they may help fill those gaps. This can be especially helpful for individuals who don't consistently eat a balanced diet. 2. Convenient and simple. Instead of taking multiple individual supplements, multivitamins offer a convenient all-in-one option. This simplicity makes it easier for people to maintain a daily routine. 3. May support overall health. Multivitamins may help support immune function, energy levels, and general well-being. They provide nutrients your body needs to carry out essential processes. However, their impact may vary depending on your individual diet and health status. 4. May benefit certain groups more. Some people may benefit more from multivitamins than others. These may include older adults, pregnant women, individuals with dietary restrictions, people with certain health conditions. In these cases, multivitamins may help meet increased nutritional needs. 5. Not a substitute for a healthy diet. While multivitamins can be helpful, they don't replace whole foods. Foods provide fiber, antioxidants, and other compounds that supplements don't fully replicate. A balanced diet remains the foundation of good health. 6. May provide unnecessary nutrients. If you already eat a nutrient-rich diet, you may not need additional supplementation. Taking vitamins you don't need may not provide extra benefits. 7. Risk of overconsumption. Some vitamins can build up in the body if taken in excess. Fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K are stored in the body and may reach high levels over time. It's important to avoid exceeding recommended amounts. 8. Mixed research on effectiveness. Research on multivitamins shows mixed results. Some studies suggest limited benefits for preventing chronic diseases in otherwise healthy individuals. This means they may not be necessary for everyone. Whole foods versus supplements. Whole foods are generally the best source of nutrients. They are often better absorbed and provide additional health benefits beyond vitamins and minerals. Multivitamins are best viewed as a supplement to your diet, not a replacement. When to consider a multivitamin? A multivitamin may be worth considering if your diet lacks variety, you have increased nutritional needs, you've been advised by a healthcare provider. Individual needs can vary, so it's important to take a personalized approach. Multivitamins can be helpful for some people, but they're not necessary for everyone. They may help fill nutritional gaps, but they don't replace the benefits of a healthy, balanced diet. Focusing on whole foods and understanding your individual needs can help you make the best decision for your health. At Earth's RX Foods, we focus on simple, science-backed strategies to help you take control of your health. If this video helped you better understand whether multivitamins are right for you, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might be considering adding supplements to their routine. Your health is your greatest asset. Fuel it wisely.